So I'm currently behind the wheel of the 2021 Mini John Cooper Works GP, and I wanted to showcase how easy it is to do launch control in this thing. So first off, locate the traction control switch down low next to the start stop, and what that is going to do is automatically turn on the GP mode. So hit the switch, you can see GP mode activated both on the center and over to the right, informing you that a sporty driving experience due to a later intervention of suspension control systems and cruise control is deactivated. Now what you're also going to do is, currently I'm in drive, you're going to switch it over to sport mode, which is done by knocking it over, and you're going to see S1 illuminated on the dash. So right now my foot is 100% down on the brake, and then I'm going to start giving it gas. What you're going to see down low, where you also saw the GP mode activated up here, is it's going to say launch control is activated. So when you do that, you have about like 3 seconds to release the brake, and you will go as fast as the vehicle can safely go. So let's do it. So I didn't want to go 60 miles an hour in a parking lot, even though I'm in a completely empty parking lot, but I just wanted to showcase how you do it. So I hope you like this quick video showcasing you how to do launch control in the 2021 Mini John Cooper Works GP. Thanks for watching.